Hello artists, and welcome to another Heather Galler landscape demonstration drawing. Today we will be doing the city landscape. So what you will need is a ruler as well as a pencil and your learning log. So you will flip your learning log to the next page available. You will start by doing the horizon line, same as the last drawing. It'll be a little bit different though, because in the last one you wanted to go middle or a little bit higher. In this one you want to go middle or a little bit lower because we're going to have tall buildings that will be above. So I'm going to draw my horizon line right here. Next, you will be needing your ruler to draw the buildings. I am going to start with one building right in the center and draw that going straight up. Now, to make these buildings look 3D, you are going to need to have diagonal lines that go out to the edge of your paper a little bit. And then you will take those lines and draw them downward. And I'm going to use these ones lightly because I don't know if I'm going to overlap buildings or anything else. So you're going to repeat that process a couple more times to add more buildings. Up and down line, a diagonal line, and another diagonal line. I'm going to have that one stop behind that as if it goes behind the other building. And then add one more line here, making sure that they are parallel. So parallel being the same, they don't cross. Okay, and then I will add another building that I think I will have cross in front of this one. That's why I left those lines kind of light so then I could erase them. And then I will do my diagonal line again. And another diagonal line the other way. Another parallel line. And my last parallel line. It is easier to be parallel in the notebook because you have the lines already that you can kind of follow, but when you get it onto your final paper, you're going to need to be careful that you are making them parallel. All right, I think I'm going to add one last building, and then I will stop there. Next, you can add a sun if you would like. I am going to add my sun right here, up in the corner, and then I'm going to take my ruler and divide the paper into rays. One more. And that should do it. That is another detail you could add. Next, you could maybe add another line down here if you would want water, but we'll add those in with the patterns to make that feel like water. And maybe you would like to add some trees, so you could add some ovals down here with some stems, and then make sure to erase the horizon line behind it again, just like the country scene. And you can add a few of those if you'd like. all for the city landscape. If there are any other details that you would like to add, you could, but we will be adding patterns inside of these shapes, so we don't want to start to do anything like that because we will be adding patterns there. So that is complete.